for this one, continuity. So exercise, find the value or values of x for which the function is discontinuous. So for number 1, y is equals to 3x all over x minus 5. So to find the values of x for which the function is discontinuous, so we'll just equate the denominator to 0. So we have x minus 5 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 5. So is our final answer. So why is it we equate the denominator to 0? Because when we equate the denominator to 0, so y is equals to 3x all over 0. So our function is undefined, right? So it makes our function at any values of x to be uh, undefined at certain value. So we'll proceed to number 3. So let's proceed to number 3. Y is equals to 5x plus 1 all over x squared plus 4. So the same thing we do to number 1. So we'll equate the denominator to 0. So x squared plus 4 is equals to 0. So we have x squared is equals to negative 4. So we'll have square root of negative 4. So square root of negative 4 is um, this number does not exist. So for this one, we have x is none, right? So there is no value of x for which the function will be discontinuous. So let's check if our answer is correct. So the answer is none. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to number 5. So for number 5, so let's proceed to number 5. Y is equals to 1 all over 2 raised to the power of x minus 8. So let's answer this one. So the same thing we do in the previous example, we'll equate the denominator to 0. So 2 raised to the power of x minus 8 is equals to 0. So 2 raised to the power of x is equals to 8. So we'll we need to have the same base of 8 to be 2 raised to the power. So 8 is just equals to 2 uh, raised to the power of x is just equals to 2 raised to the power of 3, right? So we'll cancel these both base. So we'll have x is equals to 3. So this will be now our final answer. So the value of x is just equals to 3. So let's check if our answer is correct. So the answer is 3. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to number. So that's all for continuity, rather. So for more videos, please subscribe.